again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down today to do a video on a bunch of PR boxes that I received either since I've been home or this summer while I was away. And I do have a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned because you will get some information about that as well. And my all-time favorite, you guys know I love this, the FabFitFun box. This thing is by far my favorite box to open up of like subscription style services. I have not yet opened it, so I'm going through and opening it up. I'm going to start with the FabFitFun, and I have about 5 more. It's not too bad from the summer. I kind of have gotten to a point where I'm being much more selective on what PR companies I'm working with and what products. Oh, Christina Applegate's on this. How cute. I'm going to put that off to the side, but I'm going to go through the products and we're going to look. Coupon for Luna bars and a coupon for FabFitFun. I do have a discount code that I will put down below and put right here somewhere. It's a cute little fall sticker. You see the little leaf there. It's really cute for fall. I love fall. We all know it's one of my favorite times. Ooh, first things first, a new beauty blender. I love beauty blenders. I love the Beauty Junkie ones. I love the Beauty Blender brand. All of them. I just love these. So I'm excited about that. Then Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to open all of these up because we've got a lot to go through. Oh, Glam Glow Mask. Bubble Sheet. Ooh, I love Glam Glow, but I haven't seen these bubble sheet ones yet. I'm a little bit out of it. Luna Rica. It is the Salted Caramel Nut bar. That's what that coupon is for too. That I will keep up here on my desk. It's a good little snack to have. Ooh, another one. Oh, yay. Have you guys heard about these bubble sheets? I'm excited to try it. Then Skin & Co. Blue Capri Shower Gel. Oh, this looks... I can't smell it because it's sealed. I'll open it up later, but a good looking... It's like green. Excited to play that. And I'll read the magazine thing to tell you guys about it. Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. I always love a good facial exfoliant, so that is really good. Simply Whimsical. What is this? Looks like a hand towel, possibly. Let's take it out and see. Oh, it is. It's 2 of them. Really cute, like grayish silver color. What a great color. I like these a lot. That's really neat. I love a good hand towel. So I'm going to put the trash off to the side. This is Cobra Bluetooth headphones. Oh, cool. I have a set of Apple ones, but MJ will really enjoy those. And then Crown for Pros by Pros Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. Ooh. How do I open this? Oh, here we go. Figured it out. Let's see what it is. Ooh, nice synthetic ones. Oh, these ones I am definitely gonna like. I don't think I've ever tried Crown brushes. It's a nice little case that it comes in as well. Then, oh, this is I didn't realize this was this big. Goes down to the bottom. Alfred French Press Coffee Maker. But first coffee. Pretty cool. That's a pretty awesome thing. And then I think this is just a filler. Yes, it is. So that is the whole box. This is a pretty good box. I'm like really excited. The dish towels, the brush set, the beauty blender, the Glam Glow, the exfoliant, the Luna bar. Actually, there's a lot of really good stuff in here, so I'm kind of excited. I'm going to show you this real quick because it does usually show you the other options. And let's see here. So what's in the box? So basically, all of them will be the beauty blender. The towels are all the same. The Blue in Capri, the Glam Glow, the Luna bar. Oh, so you'd either get, okay, so down here I was like this or this or this or this. You either get a Vince Camuto Luck Tote or a Crown 6-piece brush set. So one or the other. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually kind of glad. I love Vince Camuto stuff, but I'm kind of glad I got the brushes because I've never tried theirs. And then either a French press for coffee maker or an Alfred teapot. That's what the cute little teapot looks like. And or either the wireless earbuds or an umbrella. And Marty gets a ton of free umbrellas with his work, so I'm kind of glad that I got the earbuds as well. All right, on to the next thing. This is from Fresh. To give you an idea, remember guys, I go away for the summer, so we're thrilled to share with you our new superstar black tea facial essence, perfect for summer travel. #1 essential stop with 8 proven benefits. Enjoy along with our black tea mini masks. That's kind of what happens to me, unfortunately, when I go away for the summer. Maybe I should just get rid of my P.O. box and start sending PR boxes to my house. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Black Tea Kombucha. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correct. Facial treatment essence. What do you do with this? This thing is heavy. I'm gonna have to figure out what you do with this. I'm so excited. Okay, I need to open this box and figure out what this is because it's so heavy I can't get over it. Oh wow, it's in a glass jar. I have a feeling this is like a toner possibly. That is amazing, this jar. Okay, now I want to smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, I can't even explain that scent. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. And then inside of here as well is let's see here, the Black Tea Firming Overnight Mask and the Instant Perfecting Mask. Oops, there we go. Wow. If it smells anything like that, I am going to be loving that. The next item came in from Too Faced. I love Too Faced stuff, guys. They are just such a great company and they have such great packaging. How cute is this? Comes with a cute little, it's very reflective, a cute little like travel bag that you can put stuff in. It's actually really nicely made. And then 2 different things it's the Hangover RX line, 3-in-1, coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, skin renews, replenishing primer and setting spray. I've been back into setting spray, so I'm excited to try that. And then also the replenishing face primer. Have you guys tried these? Heard of them? Okay, now I've got to try the setting spray just because. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Like coconut and bubblegum? Coconut and cotton candy maybe. Coconut and something sweet. It smells really good and it feels nice on my face. So I will let that sit for the rest of the day because actually, come to think of it, I forgot to put one on today. So I will try that. And then maybe tomorrow I'll try the primer and just see how that goes. The next thing, this has already long since been over. It was a It Cosmetics Today's Special Value. However, I wanted to show it to you guys because I am going to try it out. And I heard everyone talking about it this summer and I almost bought it on my own, but I knew I would have one when I got home. And it is the Oil-Free Matte CC. So let me show you. This is what it came with. These 3 items. The one I'm super excited to try and is in my color medium is the CC Oil Matte with SPF 40. I can't wait to try this. This is going to be like first thing tomorrow. And then it comes with Your Skin But Better CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder. Let's see. Oh, in a color. This is a colored one in the color medium. I've been using a translucent powder again. And then a Heavenly Skin CC Perfecting Brush. I love these brushes anyway. I have a bunch of them, so I'm going to keep that one sealed. I might give it to somebody because I have a whole bunch of those, so I'd rather give it to somebody. Then, Pixi By Petra Glow in a Box. This is a big one. This is what it looks like. Open it up. I will show you what this looks like. And I saw quite a few people talking about this on Instagram stories. Would you guys prefer in the future to see PR packages on Instagram stories? I'd love to hear below if you'd rather see that. So it comes with creamy skin-like texture powders, create a lit from within luminosity that looks natural in any light. And it's the Glowy Glossomer Duos in Delicate Dew and Subtle Sunrise. So Delicate Dew is the lighter color. It's almost a light pinkish color. And then the Sublime Sun Kiss is definitely, I think, maybe more up my alley. This is gorgeous though. It's got a little bit more of a tint to it, but I think it might work better with my skin tone, but I will play with both of them and we'll see. Then it comes with Liquid Fairy Lights Ultra Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow with 3D effect to wear solo or on top of any eye look. There is a crystalline one, which looks like it's a clear crystal colored one that just you could add the crystal. Sunray, which looks like it has a little bit of a yellowish gold undertint to it. Rose gold, the obvious rose gold. Bare Brilliance. This one is actually a really pretty, it's kind of almost like a mauve-y undertone. Oh, you know what? Almost a mauve-y taupey undertone. And then the last one is Passionate Light. very pretty, more like pinky rose toned. So I definitely will play with those. Last spring, I did a video which was a get ready with me using all new products and testing them out for the first time. Did you guys enjoy that? I'd love to hear if you guys thought of it. Two more things. This is from Derma-e. Glowing Skin is always in. They send me great little packages of new stuff. And this one is, let's see what came in this one. The Derma-e Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser with vitamin A and glycolic acid. I need a new cleanser, and I was going to repurchase either my Obagi or my L'Occitane. I'm going to try this instead and see how it goes. And then the Sun Defense Mineral Oil Free Sunscreen. Oh, again, I got this box too. I mean, I still use sunscreen all winter, but I would have loved to really give it a good test in the summertime. So those two things came in from them. They are so sweet. And the last item I'm going to talk about also has a giveaway with it, and is by Ana Luisa Jewelry. They are handcrafted jewelry that is just so gorgeous. It's crazy. They're handcrafted jewelry that are made of really, really great materials. They're super nice. It comes in this great little cute box. How cute is this? And I'll show you the two pieces that I got. And I'm so excited. Comes in a gorgeous bag, you know, like any good jewelry comes in a nice duster bag. The first thing, how beautiful are these guys? Look at these earrings. They are made so well. It feels like it's a super high quality piece. Like the metals are really nice. The clasps are all put together well. How they're like linked together looks really nice. I'm really quite impressed with it, but how pretty, it just catches the light. These earrings would be perfect with any outfit. I'm talking from like jeans and a t-shirt just to dress them up, add a little blazer in these, or a sweater. Just, they're so lightweight too. I am super excited about those. Those are just so beautiful. What did I do with the little bag? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put those back in there until I get a chance to put them with my other jewelry. And then the second piece are these beautiful earrings, and it's gonna be a little bit hard to see them. How beautiful are these guys? It's so lightweight. It's this really, really nicely made, super soft, almost like, it almost feels like an acrylic. They are so gorgeous. I love the print. Right now, leopard is totally in, so this little pop, even with like the white shirt that I'm wearing right now with just a little earring, just adds so much to an outfit. These are so lightweight. Again, the pieces that are how they're put together and the studs to them all feel like they're very well made, very well put together, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm not sure how I almost missed this piece, but I am so glad I found it. It is a gorgeous, delicate, little layered necklace. It is just beautiful. Now, if you did like these and you don't want to wait for the giveaway, then you can follow the link that I have posted below. And they do have a discount code for me if you're interested to give you 15% off your purchase. If you would like to try and enter the giveaways, following the link in the description box, if you go to that link and you register for their emails, you will actually be entered in to win. Plus, if you go through and simply comment below saying, enter me, just let me know below that you have registered to receive the email blast from them, and you will be entered to win the giveaway with them, and you will get your own piece of jewelry for them. Can't beat that. It is really, really nicely made. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little PR haul / giveaway video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.